Aberrant. Meaning, aberrant refers to something that deviates or moves away from what is normal, usual, or expected. Definition: aberrant is an adjective used to describe behavior, actions, or conditions that are unusual, abnormal, or not typical. Examples in sentences. 1. The scientist noticed an aberrant result in the experiment, which did not match the expected pattern. Here, aberrant refers to the results being unusual or abnormal. 2. His aberrant behavior at the meeting surprised everyone, as he is usually calm and composed. In this sentence, aberrant means his behavior was unusual or out of character. Usage: aberrant is often used in scientific, psychological, or general contexts to describe anything that is not normal or expected.
English practice.